हाय गाइस, सो गुड मॉर्निंग। आज संडे है एंड सुबह सुबह मैं घूमने निकल गई हूँ ऑन अ सोलो ट्रिप। सो गाइस, दिस इज़ द वे टू द टेम्पल और वो ऊपर आपको मंदिर दिख रहा है। अब मैं उधर जा रही हूँ। सो इट्स अ वेरी फेमस टेम्पल. I don't need to say much about it because much has already been documented. I'm going there to seek the blessing for the work that I'm going to do today, which is something very close to my heart और मैं बहुत टाइम से करना चाह रही थी. So before I do that work, I want to seek the blessing and hopefully I'll be successful. So stay tuned because the main video is about what I'm going to do next and not the temple. Let's see what we have. एक कूड़ा उठाने के लिए प्लस झाड़ू प्लस वो. So this is the temple where I'm sitting right now and ये नीचे माता का मंदिर है and ऊपर वाला is the Bhairava temple. And what I want you to notice is the silence, the calmness. This temple is always this calm. That is the best thing. So you can just come here and sit. And I think कि कुछ जगहों पे अकेले ही जाना चाहिए. This is one of such places. So I am the only person who is here right now. And that is such an amazing thing. The views are so beautiful and it is very good place for someone who want to meditate. Very peaceful, very calm. Okay, so now I am leaving the place and I am heading towards my next destination, which is the main attraction for today. Since I'm traveling alone, I'll not be able to document it, but अब काम करना है इसके बाद. So guys, this is the place I'm going to show you. ये एक ऐसा पॉइंट है जहाँ से पूरा अल्मोड़ा दिखता है and it looks very beautiful. What I actually want to show you is this. ये देखिए. And a point which is so beautiful, why would someone spoil it like this? Maybe this is the difference between Himachal and us. इसी वजह से वो शायद इतना प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है और हम इतने पीछे रह रहे हैं. Like लोगों को पीना है ठीक है, but why can't you take the bottles with you? Why do you have to do like this? क्या ही इमेज रह जाएगी शहर की या फिर उस जगह की या फिर वहाँ के लोगों की. And I literally came to clean this up, but मेरी कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, क्या करूँ. And I think I'm going to give up the idea because I'm a little bit scared. I don't know if this place is safe or not. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. I don't know anymore. I want to show you this, guys. When I came from home, so मैं घर से तो बहुत आस के साथ निकली थी. I was even carrying the पेंट के डब्बे अपने घर से कि मैं यहाँ पे पेंट करूँगी. बट अभी मुझे आई डोंट नो, कोई जगह ऐसे गंदी हो कि टूरिस्ट ने की हो तो मे बी इट कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड. और यहाँ पे मैं एग्जाम्पल सेट करना चाहती थी. बट अगर वो ऐसे लोग हैं जो दारू पीते हैं, देन देर इज़ नो चेंज. तो उस चीज़ को कोई नहीं बदल सकता, क्योंकि उन लोग का ये अड्डा है एंड दे विल कम एवरी इवनिंग हेयर टू डू द लिक्विड थिंग. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. शुड आई कंटिन्यू व्हाट आई वांटेड टू और नॉट?
So guys, that was how my Sunday went, and if you're wondering whether I cleaned the place or not, in the end, the answer is no, I was not able to do that, and I'm still very much disappointed about that. I don't know what happened, why I could not do it, because when I set out from my home, it was with all the right intention, with the right energy, and I was so determined. And I was so determined, so focused, and so sure I'll make it. And then when I'll come back home in the evening, I'll have these two different pics, like before and after of that place. I had it all in my mind, and that I'll be able to do it. But unfortunately, it did not work out. I don't know what happened. All my energies changed once I reached the place. So if you see the video before the 3rd minute and after the 3rd minute, so I went to 2 locations, and I was able to clean the first location and do the same work there, but I was not able to do it at the second place. So even if it was the same work and I was alone at both the places, somehow I could do it at the first but not at the second. I don't know if there is really a thing about energies of the place, because at the first place also I was alone, and I was doing the same work, but I was very happy while doing it. Even though the material I was picking up, like it was the cigarette packets and cigarettes, even the sight of them made me feel uncomfortable, but I was able to clean the area up. And when I was able to do that, I was actually extra pumped up when I started for the second place, because I thought I was so sure I'll be cleaning the other place as well. But I don't know, when I went at the second place, first of all, last Sunday also we went at that place, and at that time I was accompanied by 2 of my friends, Yamni and Garima, and we sat at that place, and it was not that bad. The state was not as bad as it was today. Yesterday on Sunday. So what I saw was that that place is like kind of a permanent place for doing activities related to like kind of a party place, we can say. And I don't want to bash anyone who drinks or who is involved in any kind of activity there, but all I'm saying is we have to be responsible for leaving the place in a certain state. It's a public property, first of all, and even if not that, then we should at least pick up our trash. That should be a must for our generation. But nevertheless, so what happened is, when I reached there, I was disappointed because the place was even more filthy than the last time, and for some reason I felt that whatever efforts I'm going to put at that place, the same evening it will go back to the way it was, and that stopped me somewhere. And I don't know, the second thing was I felt a bit alone and a bit scared, like that usually is not a concern for me. I mean, when I started out from my home, I know where I was going. I know I'm going alone. I knew that already, and I know I have to do this task that I'm set out to do alone. In fact, I perform much better when I'm alone. So it was not a concern, but I don't know, when I reached the place, it became one. And I just felt that, I don't know why I felt that it's not very safe to work at that place at that time. Well, maybe that was just a vibe at that time, but all said and done, I am still a bit disappointed that it couldn't be achieved what I thought, and that is my failure that I'm sharing with you. But I hope things will improve, and maybe I wish I can complete what I intended. I wish I can go back there, and I wish I'd be able to clean that place, paint it like the way I wanted to, and that it never goes back to that state. So that is also important. So just a little backstory how all this cleaning and all. I'm a huge fan of Healing Himalayas. So it is an organization which basically works in the Himachal area. So what they do is they so regularly, not once in a while, they are so regular with this that they clean the areas in Himachal. They go for trekking and then they clean that place, and they pick so much trash and everything, and they leave the place so different than the way it was earlier. So that is so much inspiring to me, and I am such a huge fan. I'm not fan of any celebrity, but I'm really a fan of these organizations. Like I check their posts very regularly. I message them, I comment, I even tried to work with them, but then I had to go to Himachal for that, which was not possible. So I thought, okay, it's just the cleaning work, right? You can do it anywhere. But I was so wrong. मेरे दिल में उनके लिए respect और भी बढ़ गई है, because I have realized that even if you have the best intention, even if you have the right intention, the right determination, still doing the groundwork is not so easy. I wish I had such an organization working at my place, or support of like-minded people, or the company of such people. It would be a bit easy maybe, but it's okay. Let's hope that someday I'll get to work with them, and someday we'll have an organization like that in my town. So let's hope for the best. So guys, that was all for today's video, and yeah, let's see how far I go with this. I'll try again after some time. I hope I get some support from somebody. So if you're watching this and you are in Almora, and if you think that the place should be cleaned and we should go there, and you're okay to lend me your support, please contact me and we'll do the best we can. Thank you.